We are walking to the buses. We're going to Disney Springs. We're at Disney Springs.
Okay, so we're in Disney Springs. We're gonna go to, what's it called? Splitsville, the bowling alley?
We're going bowling.
All right, we're gonna go bowling. So come on and come bowling with us, okay?
We're going bowling. We're gonna eat some food there. We're gonna see what they have.
Yep.
Hopefully they have an arcade and some greasy cheeseburgers.
I mean, that's what bowling alleys are known for, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. Coke.
We do pass by a Lilly Pulitzer store. We may have to do a little side trip so I can go look and see.
You gotta flex off the base plan. Lilly Pulitzer. So that's your favorite hangout, isn't it? So
Yeah.
you want to veer to the left?
Yes.
What about something like that?
I
You've
have
got
that.
something like that.
I have that.
And you have that. So I wouldn't get that one. Because
Okay.
we're going to Splitsville.
Splitsville.
Now, the last time we went bowling, you beat me, didn't you?
I don't even remember the last time. I'm not a good bowler. I mean, I bet you I can count on one hand how many times I've been bowling.
All right, we're headed down through Disney Springs, headed to Splitsville. They got live music, it sounds like.
Yes.
Okay, so it's $21.
It's
$21 a person per bowler, and so you can roll as many games as you can in an hour. It's full service, so we will capture that, and so that
You can get food and drinks.
Yep, food and drinks. So we're gonna go upstairs, and they've got, it looks like 6 lanes down here, and full service, and that, and then upstairs they say they've got more lanes upstairs, so we'll go up there and we're gonna bowl upstairs. And we're on lane 17. 17. You ready? All right, this is, we're gonna start. Are we starting?
We're starting.
Okay. That's why they call it Splitsville. Well, got a few more.
Well, that's good.
Oh, that's going to be good. Oh, it just didn't break enough. There you go. Looking good, looking good. Yes. Nope, did it again. Ah! Did you want me to, I asked if we could get those inflatable. And then she backs it up with a spare. Good job. Good. And then, a spare.
A spare.
Yep. That was great.
The key to it is never bowl.
Never bowl.
And then you have beginner's luck. That looks good. Oh, yeah.
Splits.
Oh, no, it fell. You only
So I
left
got
one.
9.
Oh, no.
Oh,
yeah,
no.
that's okay.
Oh, just keep falling. 2 cheeseburger deluxe. 2 cheese and with fries. Yep. You want an order of regular fries and then the Kona fries and then the loaded fries.
Okay, your sandwiches do come with fries.
Oh,
You
okay.
do one
Nope.
side of fries, one side of loaded fries.
Yeah, if you
for
could.
Your sandwiches.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle. Okay?
Yes, everything.
Oh, no.
Any food allergies?
Nope.
No. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And bring me some luck. Nice, it looks good.
Too much in the middle.
And-
Too
oh,
much center.
Splitsville.
It was too much centered.
So we got 2 cheeseburgers.
Yeah, cheeseburger deluxe, and then we got the regular
The regular fries.
fries and fries with queso, or fries deluxe or grande or. How is it?
Good.
So that's a good burger.
It's
So-
a good burger.
Make sure you get some of these fries.
Those are really good.
Yep. So what do you think of your foray back into the bowling world?
I think I'll stick with golf.
But it's fun,
It's fun.
and it's really nice facilities. So if you come to Disney Springs, make sure you check out Splitsville, right?
Yeah, you can bowl downstairs or upstairs. They have all these lanes all over
And it was what, $21 a person
for an hour.
for an hour. Great food, great fun.
It's been a fun day.
What else could you ask for?
It's been a fun day.
Yep.